So very good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Okay, so today we are going to revise. Yes, informal letter. So yesterday I gave you one homework. I gave you homework regarding this. So that you had to develop. So what you had to develop? You had to develop informal letter given at the page number. Yes. Yes, page number 130. Okay, I hope you have developed this. So let's check. So who will read out? Yes, Shiven, I'm going to give you turn, bache. You please read out. Please, bache. Don't make noise. Okay, Shiven, I have unmuted you, bache.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, Shiven.
Ma'am, I have written Center's address 105 Cheswat Nagar, Jalandhar City.
Tell that you need to describe only the content, the body of the letter, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written, I am fine and I hope you are in the same boat. I want to ask you that you are worrying of me, but there is nothing to worry because I am here in very good condition. Two kidnappers kidnapped me. They are very funny. I played with them. They were very funny, and they were forced you to give them $2,000.
Okay,
But
Shiven, very good,
you will
shabash.
not do that.
Okay, very good. So now I'm going to give turn to. Yes, Mehak. Mehak, you please read out the content. Mehak, you please read out. I have unmuted you, bache.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, dear.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, Mehak. Please read out the body of the letter.
Ma'am, I have written only 2 paragraphs. You said no, we have to form 3 paragraphs, but I have not formed the 3rd paragraph.
Why? Okay. So next, so Manmeet, I'm going to give you turn, bache. Manmeet, you please. I've unmuted you. You please read out. Yes, Manmeet. Manmeet, I have unmuted you, bache.
Hello.
Yes, bache. Close the door.
Hello, how are you? I am fine here and I hope you are sailing in the same boat. I know that you are worried about me because I was kidnapped by 2 kidnappers. I was enjoying the company of kidnappers. They are too kind because they gave me good food to eat and they I also played on them. Bill and Sam, we are living in a cage near the village. Take care. Don't be worried for me. Bye and Seema.
Okay, Mehak, your voice is not clear, bache. Manmeet, your voice is not clear, but I have muted you. Okay, now you please all listen how to write it. Okay, so I always tell you, informal letter is the letter which is written to our friends, family members, and the relatives. Okay, what is the next step? The letter to be started from the left hand side. Okay. Yes, letter to be started from the left hand side. And what do we write first? So here at the top we write sender's address. What do we write? Sender's address. Okay, now you please develop this letter side by side. Write down the sender's address. Write down your own address. Hurry up. Hurry up. Very good. Write down your own address. I'm going to check. Okay, I'll check side by side. And immediately after that, leaving one line. You have to leave one line. Okay? Bete, no. You are not. No, bache. So, what you have to do immediately after that, you have to write date, current date. And what's date today? Today is 13th Feb. Clear? Have you noted it down? Okay, now what comes next? Now you have to write the salutation. So Johnny is writing letter to his father. So you will write like this, dear father. Clear? Now comes to the most important part, that is the body of the letter. Okay, how will you develop? So you will have to make 3 paragraphs. You will have to make paragraphs. First paragraph. In the first paragraph, in the very beginning, you will ask the well-being. Okay? So, what will you write here? You will write like this. Yes. Okay, who will? Yes. Yes. Hello, how are you? Okay. So, I know that you are worried that kidnappers have kidnapped me. Okay. Yes. I'm sure that you are worried that kidnappers have kidnapped me, but I'm writing this letter to tell you that, I am fine here, okay? So I am enjoying the company of 2 kidnappers. So now in paragraph second, in second paragraph, you will describe, okay, how you are enjoying. So you will start like this. So what have you written first? I am enjoying the company of kidnappers. I usually play with them. Different kinds of games. Okay. Yesterday I played a game of Indian warrior. Okay, in which I was the red chief and Bill was the captive. Bill was the captive. Okay. I frightened him by trying to cut off the top part of his head. Okay. Clear or not clear? Beta, why to repeat? You please listen now what I'm saying. So, the next day and the very next day, I put a very hot potato down his back. Okay, I irritated him. You can write like this, I am having a great fun. Okay, I am having great fun. I am having great fun. I do not want to come back home. Now in the third paragraph, what will you write? In the third paragraph, you will write, dear father, I am not going to come back home because I like camping here. Okay? Clear? Clear or not clear? So pay my regards or say goodbye to mom. Say goodbye to mom. So you can add more lines. How can you add more lines? You tell. So I have come to know that the kidnappers have demanded rupees $1,500 from you. So you please, I have come to know that they have asked or they have demanded $1,500 from you. So you are advised not to pay the money, not to pay the ransom, because I'm not willing to come back home. Okay. Because I'm not willing to come back home. This is how you can add some more lines. Clear or not clear? Clear, bache? Clear? Okay, who will read out? Now who will read out? Yes. Bhavya. Bhavya, I have unmuted you, bache.
Ma'am, can you tell the which topic are you doing? Ma'am, I don't know, so I hand raise.
Letter. We are discussing informal letter that is given at page number 130. So you are that Johnny. Now you have to write a letter to your father about. Okay. You have to tell him what you are enjoying.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
do not worry. Do not worry about that. Do not worry that you are. I am kidnapped by the kidnappers. I am. I am doing.
Okay, Bhavya, you have not developed, I think. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Agrim. Agrim, you haven't developed the letter. Agrim, Arshpreet. So, any student, offline student, yes. Yes, you please come. Yes, Kinjal. Kinjal, please read out. Kinjal, I have unmuted you, bache.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak
I am
loudly.
fine. Ma'am, I am fine, and I think that you are sailing in the same boat. You need not to worry about me because I was kidnapped by two kidnappers. I enjoyed their company. I'm writing this letter because to tell you that I am fine. I played with them. Yesterday I played a game with them. I was a red chief. I tried to cut the bill's top part of his head. I irritated them a lot, but I enjoyed their company. I get to know that the kidnappers had demanded the ransom. I will advise you to not to pay the ransom because I am not willing to come to home.
Yes. So, I've come to know that they have demanded $1,500 from you. So you are advised not to pay the money because I'm not willing to come back home. Okay. So I'll pretty much handle the situation. Don't worry about me. Okay. And say goodbye to mom. Okay. So yours loving son. So this is how you have to end the letter. Clear or not clear? Is it clear? Okay, now we are going to discuss another topic, that is thank you note. So we are going to revise this, okay? So you know what? So my dear student, when somebody gives us something or helps us, okay? So how do we feel? We feel good. We feel very much happy, okay? So what do we say in return? So we say thank you. So you know what? So there are many ways to say thanks. Okay? So we say thank you because it shows our appreciation for the gift or the services that someone has provided us. Okay? So many ways to say thanks, but handwritten thank you note is the most heartfelt and the meaningful way to show the gratitude. Okay? So how we have to write thank you note? So it has a specific format. First, you need to frame a box. What you need? You need to frame a box. Offline or online students, please. Please frame one box side by side after leaving equal margin. Okay, now what you have to do in the middle of the box, you have to write, yes, heading. You have to write heading, that is thank you note. Please, Ajay. And you have to write all the letters capital, okay? All letters should be capital. Thank you note. Yes, Ajay. Vijay, first we are discussing thank you note. First we are going to revise thank you note now. We have already discussed this informal letter that has been done. Now we are revising thank you notes, okay? So first you need to frame one box and in the middle of the box you need to write thank you note heading, okay? And this side, left side, you have below this, after leaving some space below this, you need to write date. And what's date today? Today is 13. Yes, today is 13 Feb 2000. Clear? This is how you have to write the date. Now here this part, okay, below the heading after leaving some line, bilkul iske samne what you have to write? Yes, you have to write day, and today is Saturday. Clear bache? Now what comes next? Next comes, yes, salutation. Now please listen to it. Situation is your father gave you a beautiful wristwatch on your birthday. Your father gave you a beautiful wristwatch on your birthday. And now you have to write a thank you note regarding this, okay? So, how first, so you have, here you have to write, so below date, after leaving one line, you have to write salutation. Dear father. Okay, now comes the most important part, that is the content. And what is the meaning of content? That the message you want to convey, okay? So there are steps. Okay, we'll discuss them one by one. First of all, whenever you are going to write thank you note, you have to say thanks. What you have to say? So you will write like this, thank you very much. Now, okay, first is say thanks. So you will say thank you very much. Now you have to mention the reason. Second is mention the reason. Mention the reason why you are saying thanks. So why you are saying thanks? Because your father gave you a beautiful wristwatch on your birthday. So you will write like this. Thank you very much. You have already written. So thank you very much for the nice gift you gave me on my birthday. Clear? Thank you very much for the nice gift, for the wristwatch, or you can write like this, which you gave me on my birthday. Now, you have to describe 2 lines. Okay? You have to write 2 lines to describe how the gift is useful to you. So you can write like this. It is very useful for me. How it is useful? Yes? Okay, it will make me punctual. It will help me to, okay, it will make me punctual. Clear or not clear? Yes? So you can add one more line. Okay, I'm going to give turn to Shiven. Shiven, can you add one more line? Can you add any line?
Ma'am, it helps us to.
Shiven, your voice is very low. Speak loudly.
Ma'am, it helps us to watch time at exam.
Okay, so you can write like this. Yes, anybody else? Yes, Mehak, please you tell, can you add one line?
Ma'am, it will help me to do my work fast.
Okay, good. Okay, Nishri, can you add one line? Nishri, please.
I can do all things on time.
Very good. I shall be able to do things on time. Very good, Mehak. Okay. So you will have to write at least 2 lines to describe how the gift is useful to you. Okay. It is very useful. Now how it is useful? Clear or not clear? Now what comes next? So next you have to, first you have to describe how the gift is useful. Next you have to, yes, now you have to make a promise. Make promise. So, how will you write this line? How will you make promise? That I shall keep it with great care. So, when somebody gives us something now, so it's our moral duty to keep it safe. Okay? So, you will write like this. I shall keep it safely.
can also write.
with great care. You can also write this line also. Okay. So next.
I will never forget this gift you gave me.
Now say thanks again. Now what you have to do? You have to say it. So thanks once again. In the end, you will write like this. Thanks once again. Okay? Clear or not clear? Clear, bache? So at the end, what you have to do? You have to write your name. And where to write the name? Here, left side. Okay? At the bottom, you have to write your name. Clear or not clear? No, bache. You have to write your name here. Clear? Okay, so I'm going to give turn to Kinjal. Kinjal, please. Kinjal, I have unmuted you, bete. You read out the content. Read out the content.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you very much for giving
Speak
me
loudly,
such a
Kinjal. Speak loudly.
Thank you very much for giving me such a beautiful wristwatch on my birthday. It is very beautiful. With the help of this, I will be able to do all my work on time. It
Very
will
good.
make me punctual. I will take a great care of it. Thank you once again.
Very good. Shabash. Here, something for you. Very good, beta. Very good. Shabash. Excellent. Okay. So, offline student Raghav. Okay, Priyanshu, you come. Priyanshu, just read out the content.
Thank you very much for the beautiful gift that you gave me on my birthday. It will make me punctual. I shall be able to do things on time. I shall keep it with great care. Thanks once again.
Very good. Shabash. Big clap for him. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Shabash. Very good. Okay. Who will come? Yes. Okay, I'm giving you one. Okay. Yes, Pavneet. Pavneet. Pavneet, you can unmute. Okay, Pavneet, I have given you turn, bache.
Good morning, ma'am.
Speak loudly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, thank you very much for this beautiful gift on Daughter's Day. It helps me in doing all my works on time, and especially
Yes.
it is small, so I can also use it in school purposes, and I promise that I will not broke it or lost it.
Very good, Shabash, bache. Is something for you? Very good, bache. Very good. Excellent. Okay. So now I'm going to, okay, I hope this topic is very much clear to you. So one topic I'm going to give you. Okay, you please note it down. Your father gave you a tablet on your birthday. Okay. Now you have to write a thank you note regarding this. So it is very simple. So how will you write? First of all, thank you very much for the tablet which you gave me on my birthday. Okay. And how it is useful? How it is useful for you? So now I can attend my online classes on it. Okay. So yes, so I shall keep it with great care. Next, thanks once again. So your father gave you tablet. Better do practice in draft notebook. Okay? Okay. Now I'm going to discuss with you sorry note. So first you need to know. So you already know that. Why do we say sorry? So you know what happens? Sometimes we say something wrong and we behave rudely. Okay? And we feel bad. Okay. Now what we want to do? So when we feel bad, when we realize our mistake, we want to say sorry. So you know what? Sometimes it's not easy to accept our mistake in front of everyone. Okay. We feel ashamed. So you know what happens? So sometimes we decide to write sorry note. So sorry note is the heartfelt and the meaningful way to take the responsibility of our actions. Okay, it shows that we are very much sincere. Okay, so we are ready to take the responsibilities of our actions. Clear or not clear? Okay, now your father gave you tablet on your birthday, okay, for attending the online classes. But you know what happened? It broke. It was broken by you accidentally. So now you have to write a sorry note to your father regarding this. Clear? Are you ready? So what is the format? Same format is there. First you need to frame a box. Okay, then we have to write sorry note. We have to frame one box, and in the middle of the box, what do we have to write? We have to write heading, that is sorry note. And all the letters should be capital. Okay, you have to write it in capital. Clear? So next, after leaving some space, left side you have to write date, and this side you have to write date. Okay, now you are writing a sorry note to your father, so you will write like this: dear father, okay. Now how to write sorry note? Again, so there are points. So first point is you have to say sorry. You have to say sorry. It means you should be ready to accept your mistakes. Okay? Here you should be ready to take the responsibility of your action. So first you will say, I am really sorry. Now, what comes next? So next point, you have to mention the reason why you are sorry. Mention the reason or describe what happened. Or describe what happened. So what happened? Father gave you tablet and it was broken by you accidentally. And how did it happen? कैसे हुआ ये? So you can write like this. Yesterday, while I was attending my online class, okay, so the tablet got broke. Okay, it got broke. So yesterday, while I was attending my class, the tablet got broke accidentally. Now what you have to say? Now ask for the forgiveness. Ask for the forgiveness, please. So you can write like this: kindly forgive me. Ask for forgiveness. Ask for forgiveness. कैसे करना है? ये कैसे करना है आपने? How will you develop this line? So kindly forgive me. Now you have to make a promise. Make a promise that how will you develop this line? That I shall be careful in future. I shall be careful in future. Sorry once again. Say sorry again. Say sorry again. So this is how you have to develop. You have to develop the content. Clear? First, you always have to say sorry. Then you have to mention the reason or explain what happened. And thereafter, you have to ask for the forgiveness. And then you have to make promise to be careful in future. And you have to say sorry again. I hope it is clear to you. Now you can give your own reason. Okay? So I'm going to give turn to, yes, Mehak. Mehak, I have unmuted you, bache. You tell how will you develop this.
Ma'am, I am Manmeet.
Okay, Manmeet.
I am really sorry because the tablet you gave me for attending my online classes, it has broken by me.
It was
Accidentally.
broken. It was broken, beta.
Okay. Accidentally, when I am attending my online classes, kindly.
Okay. When you are describing the past actions, okay, so you need to use second the verb. Clear? Clear? You have to use the past tense, that is was or were. Okay? I was. So yesterday was.
Kindly
Yes.
forgive me. Kindly forgive me. I shall be careful in future. Sorry once again.
Very good. Shabash, beta. Excellent. Okay, now I'm going
Thank
to
you,
turn
ma'am.
to Mehak. Mehak, I have unmuted you, beta.
Yes. Sorry, father, that I had broken the tablet that you gave me for attending the online classes. While I was attending the online classes, it has slipped accidentally.
It slipped out of my hand.
It slipped out of my hand. Please forgive me. I shall be careful in future. Sorry once again.
But there is a number of errors. Okay, so you need to be careful when you are using the tense. You need to
Ma'am, after dear father, we will leave one line to start the content.
So yes, Priyanshu, you will come. Priyanshu will come and read out the content. Acha, okay. Now you come. Wait, you come. Wait. Very good. When I was yesterday, you are talking about past actions, na? Past time, yes.
When I am attending
When I was attending,
it slipped from my head and got wet. So kindly forgive me. I shall be careful in future. Sorry.
so one more situation I'm going to give you. I'm giving you another situation. So your father gave you mobile phone, okay? So it was broken by you accidentally, okay? Yes, Priyanshu, you please read it out. Now you have another situation. You have mobile phone, okay? फिर क्या? It's very simple. Same thing.
I am really sorry when I am attending online.
When I was, bete, when I was attending my online class.
Mobile phone it was broken accidentally. I was attending class. It fell down the table by me. So kindly forgive me. I shall be careful.
Okay, it slipped out of my hand, or it fell down. Go back, Tracy. Okay, now my next. Okay, next is note down next. Another situation. So you reached late to school. Okay. So now write a sorry note to your teacher. So you reach. What you will say? You will say sorry. Okay. Then you have to mention the reason. So you reach late. Hurry up, I'm giving you 1 minute. Kinjal, I have unmuted you, बच्चे.
मैम मैंने ना आपको टैबलेट
Yes,
वाला सुनाना
you reach late school, okay? Yesterday you reached late, so teacher, okay, so you have, yes.
Dear respected ma'am, I'm really very sorry.
Ma'am, yes.
Respected ma'am, I'm really very sorry because I reached late to school.
Yesterday I reached late
Yesterday,
school, yes.
yesterday my van got punctured. That's why I got late to school. I promise you that this will not happen again.
So you can write like this. Yesterday, while on my way to school, my car, my mother's car, my father's car, you can say broke down. So I got late. Okay, I'm feeling very bad. Please forgive me. I shall be careful in future. Okay. Okay. One more thing. So your teacher, you are not wait.
मैंने आपको टैबलेट वाला सुनाना था.
Okay, bete. So one more situation I'm going to give you. So you have not submit your English PDF for checking. So you have not submitted. You have have not submitted your English PDF for checking. Okay? So write a sorry note regarding this. You have to give us valid reason. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. First, yes, Nishchay. Yes, you. No, you don't have need to mention this. Respected ma'am, okay? Yesterday I could not. You have to use the past form of can. That is good. Yesterday I could not submit the because there was some network issue. You can write like this. Or you can write like this. My homework was not complete. My work was not complete. Okay? And you just Priyanshu, what's happening? Okay. It's next your turn, okay? So I am really very sorry. I shall be careful in future. Okay? Please forgive me. Clear or not clear? Please sit down. So one more thing I want to say that. So Monday you have your revision test. Okay? You will get the syllabus. Please check the WhatsApp group. Okay? And prepare your test well. Okay? Any doubt? Then you can discuss the things with me. Clear? And one more. Yes, Raghav. Yes, Nishay. Anything else you Harman? Yes, Harman. Do you want to say something? Harman, I am unmuted you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, I have to tell that notebook that respected ma'am. Yesterday I went for a family function, so I was not able to make the PDF and send it to you.
Very good. Shabash, Harman. Excellent. Very good. Very good, beta. Big clap for you.
Thank you, ma'am.